में सही हो कहीं भी आग, अभी आग जलनी चाहिए और सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना अपना मकसद नहीं, अपनी तो ये कोशिश है कि अब ये सूरत बदलनी चाहिए। वेलकम डॉक्टर सोनिया कासलीवाल फ्रॉम बैंगलोर।
Thank you, sir. Thank you for such a grand this. I want to thank you a lot, Chauhan sir. First of all, before starting the presentation, because in my starting days of RIT, I was going through some issues, and you really helped me to come out of it. So before starting, I want to give a lot of thanks to you and RYP program for getting me here. So, sir, I'll start here. So, I'm Dr. Sonia Kasliwal. I am from Bangalore. I have done my PhD in biotechnology, and currently I am working as a guest faculty in Molecular Biology Division, Bangalore University. As here is my vision board. So, nothing starts with the auspicious thing. I believe a lot in the auspicious thing. So, this is my vision board which I have made with complete my heart, my soul, my brain, and also taking the blessings, gratitude, thank you, and love of all. These are some of the things which I want to show you together with my vision board, which I feel all of them are auspicious, and they will be blessing me here because I have choose a destination for my life. A destination, if it is there for you, definitely you will get a path and you will reach to that particular place. You will also get something to travel there. That's what I have got the feeling after joining the RYP. So the first things which I have learned here is love yourself. This is me here, guys. This is me, a beautiful, charming, happy, healthy, rocking, smiling, marvelous, adorable, and amazing Sonia. With all the stars here which are shining here, and that so even I'm shining with my smile. And this is my whole world here. So nothing starts if you are not fit, if you are not there with your health. If you have a good health, then only you can achieve something. Then only you can go for the goals. Then only you can talk about a happy life. So coming to my health goals, first of all, I want to maintain my weight. So I have decided to maintain my weight at 55 kgs, which is all right according to my height. I have decided to go every year for a regular health checkup, which I had the habit of procrastinating, which I have learned from procrastination killer. We should not procrastinate the things which are important. So I have decided I'll go with a regular health checkup. Then the next thing is I have decided to go for yoga every day. Then this is a place.
नितिन वो सुन रहा है क्या?
Madam, you are in mute.
Dr. Sonia, you're on mute.
Madam, you are in mute. Kindly unmute. Madam, please.
Kindly.
You are in mute.
So can I request you to mute everyone? So this is Patanjali Yogram here where I wanted to go. Now this everything is like where we go with the naturopathy techniques. We want to get relieved of our toxins. We want to get relieved of our stress, anxiety, and other issues. So this will be the place where I will going for de-stressing myself. Now, starting with the family and relationship goals. Guys, there is nothing there in your life without your family, without your relations. These are the basic roots of that particular tree on which we are built. So you have your roots, which are your relationship, which are your here. Starting with this is my very small immediate family together with my husband, my 5-year kid, and me. A happy family. I have been with her stressful marriage some days before, not some days before, some years before we had a stressful marriage. Now I want this marriage to be very happy. I want a strong bonding with my husband. I want a strong bonding with my son. Our next aim, which we have decided to accomplish by December 2022 is, we want another member in our family. So this will be our next kid and this will be the baby shower with me. So here are my other part of life. So these are my parents, my father and my mother. I want to give a lot of time to my parents. Also, they also have some places in their mind where they want to go and I want to take them. Guys, I have decided after coming here that in my life, I will never take my Sundays to be for work. I want to devote all my Sundays with my families. I want to do everything together with the family. I want to go out. I want to play with the kid. So I have decided that I will go with all my Sundays in the family. I have decided that I will decide to go a short trip with my extended family at least once in a year. Now I have also decided that I will go for contacting my old friends. I want to get a strong contact with my long friends which were there when I was a child. So from my childhood, those are my friends. I want to contact them, and in my extended far relatives, which are like for them also. At least I want to give a call on occasions or on festivals so that I can call them up. I can tie them up. Okay, so these are my family and relationship goals. Other than that, also one more thing I have decided is every year on my son's birthday, I will be going with particular investment. So this will be like an investment which should be fixed every year on his birthday, and it should be taken every year. Then my learning goals. Guys, nothing happens if you stop learning. If a person stops learning, if a person stops taking his everything, his success will stop down. They will not be able to move. So learning is basically a very important part of life from my expect. You keep on growing only once you keep on taking new things. So this is where my first learning goal is I will finish at least 6 motivational books in an year. Every 6 months, I want to go for an important training to improve my professional skills. Guys, I'm also very much like in spirituality. So I want to attend at least one session in spiritual side once in a year. Like I was about to attend the session of Sudarshan Kriya of Art of Living Ashram. So like that I want to do. Other than that, professional training on medicinal and aromatic plants. Medicinal and aromatic plants is my very core sector. It was my topic in biotechnology during my PhD, and also I have a very much interest in medicinal and aromatic plants and aromatherapy and Ayurveda part. So I want to keep on upgrading myself with the new trainings, with the new techniques which I have decided. Other than that, another one is I want to go for the project training also. So how we can implement a particular project. Guys, I have a very important plan which I want to discuss with you. There is a scheme of Women Scientist program which is given by Government of India. I want to apply for Women Scientist, and in that I want to apply for a project. So this is my aim to go with December 2025, where I want to apply for this project and I want to establish my own medicinal plant unit. So then I'll come to my spiritual goals. As I told you, a bit of spiritual type of person I have. I want to go to all the spiritual places of our religion. I want to go with the 12 Jyotirlings, which we call as Dwadash Jyotirlings. I want to go on a parikrama of Narmada river. I want to go to Lord Jagannath Puri, Rameshwaram, Dwarka. Then I want to go to basically Chardham Yatra. And here, this is my most favorite place. It's Lord Krishna's place, Vrindavan. I want to spend at least 1 year of my life there as a monk. I want to live as a very simple life which they are living there. And 1 year I want to live in Vrindavan in that particular simple life, going with darshanas and all. Then 1 year at least I'm planning that I with my extended family will go to our goddess deity, which is Lord Jeen Mata. At least once a year we want to visit there. Whenever we are going to our native place, at least we will make sure that we are going with all our people, extended family members there. Now guys, coming to my career goals. These are my career goals basically. So my first career goal is getting a permanent assistant professor job all over India in any of a government or a well-established university. This goal I want to achieve by June 2022. My favorite university is Bangalore University, where I am working. After that, by 2025, So by 2025, I am planning, if like I want to go to CMAP, which is Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants. I'll take 5 years of time. After that, I'll apply there as a senior scientist, because this is basically a very important CSIR lab which is working on medicinal and aromatic plants in India. My second goal is I want to establish my own medicinal and aromatic plant unit. For this, I will be needing a land which will be approximately of 100 acres, where all the different important medicinal plants recommended by the Department of Ayush, which are important in terms of export, will be grown. And there, this will be the unit where the processing of the medicinal and aromatic plants will take place. Aromatic plants will be basically processed for your aromatic oils. I'm very much impressed for this particular condition with the Vajram Aromatics, which is present in Bangalore. Mr. Madhu, who had started this company, if I'll tell you, he was a software engineer where he was getting 1 lakh per month. He quitted the job, and today he is the owner of a company which is 5,000 acres, which is having holding of 5,000 acres, and also which is having multi-crore business. This fellow, he has done with organic oil, with aromatic oils only within 5 years. Now, my third career goal, if I'll come, I have a passion for writing. Now, this passion is not from today. This passion is since I was in 9th standard. So maybe I was 13 years old or 14 years old when I wrote my first script for a drama, and it was very much appreciated. From that time till today, here or there I'll write, but yes, I had the procrastination. I will never finish to it. Now I want to establish myself as an author. I'm very much happy to tell you people that I have already finished 6 chapters of a particular book, and with the help of Captain Sanjay sir, I hope my first ebook will come within October or maybe September last. I'll publish my first ebook on Amazon. Now, this is my in that thing, I want to write at least 10 books. That is my aim, and I want to come in the list of famous books, in the list of famous authors. I also want to have my own YouTube channel which I am planning for, and this I'll start basically with PU to PU, actually NEET. Then I'll start with BSc Biotechnology, BSc Microbiology, and the plant tissue culture. And also for this, I have already started working. I have already started collecting the material, and within, I think, 1 month of time, I'll start creating the videos. Once I'll get the training from Passive Income for making YouTube videos. So I hope this will be getting done in within 1 or 2 months last. Then financial goals. Finance is very important part of life. Nothing happens today without money. So I also want to make millions of money. I also want to become a millionaire. Now, there are some things which I also want. I don't have a dream of a house, but I have a dream of a farmhouse. This is a country farmhouse which I want. This particular farmhouse which I'll design for myself, it will be completely with the natural techniques. It will have all the organic plantation. It will have all the cooking mechanisms, whatever it is there. It will be in the earthen pots. I want to grow their vegetables, fruits, everything fresh in that particular farmhouse only. Basically, I want to develop a farmhouse for me as a place which is free of complete of the radiations, electromagnetic radiations. There will be no EM radiations. So this will be my country farmhouse. This is the car I'm planning for, and this is the person who I'm been liking from past 20 years. She was the only person for me going for biotechnology, Kiran Majumdar-Shaw. I want to become a personality like her. Coming to my social goals. So what are my social goals is, as you all know, nothing happens if you don't go for the social goals. Universe always thinks about the cause you want. Why you are wanting this? Are you a person whom this amount should be given off? So there comes your social cause. If you have any social cause, definitely you will grow and grow more. Blessings in the life, whatever are given, they will go with you a very long way, guys. So my first goal is I want to at least 5 children for their education. Of course, I want to get connected with the seed ball project of Karthik sir, where I am also glad to introduce you. I already shared this particular project with my master's students, and some of them have really liked it. So this was the first thing I have started. So other than the seed ball project, I am planning minimum 100 trees per year. Guys, this will be the place which I have designed for me, where I will create an old age home. This old age home, it will not be like a blocks room, sir. It will be a very open area with totally natural environment where people will like the ambience of this. Together with this, in this particular place only, I'll keep a coaching institute separate, where the children who will come will be the persons whose parents are earning less than 5 lakh per annum. Guys, today what has happened is government is providing education, but coaching is very, very costly. There are many students who are very intelligent, who can grow further, but they cannot go for coaching like IAS, they cannot go for coaching like medical, they cannot go for coaching like engineering, because the coaching itself costs you 1.5 to 2 lakhs, which most of the parents cannot afford it. And these students, they are actually subsidized. Basically, this motivation has come. I just missed. There is a person in Super 30. So they will, what he will do is he'll take the students from very poor children, and he will train them in this manner that they all become IS officers. Its institute is in Bihar, if I'm not wrong. Now this is the second goal. So I have, and this is the orphanage children party. I have never planned this. Only once we had done this. Now I have decided, on any single occasion, whether it is my son's birthday or my husband's birthday or my birthday, we want to organize a party for the orphanage children. Every year this will be taken, that I'll make sure that at least one occasion will be celebrated with these children. Okay, so this is my social goal, and other than that, free coaching and open old age home. So these are my all the other goals. The last which comes is personal development goals. I'll tell you something. Personality development is very, very important. I was a person who will keep quiet in the class for most of the times, who will not ask questions, because I used to feel if I'll ask questions, I'll be stupid. If I ask wrong question, others will laugh on me. And this was a thing. And other than that, there were several things coming to my mind, but I'm not sharing them. Not only with my friends, not only even with my family. Sometimes I was not ready to share, because I think, no, pa, it cannot be fulfilled. You cannot speak that. How they will believe? Before explaining my thing, I used to think what others will think. Now, after coming to RYB, like what Karthik sir told, even I shared with my students, is quality of your life depends on the quality, the questions you ask. I believe today that it's not only quality of the questions, it's also the quantity. During the RYB sessions, I have asked sometimes very stupid questions also. I recall it later. But I am really happy that no mentor, they have reacted, what this stupid question is. They have not reacted. But in spite of that, they have been very motivating. So I have decided to leave this thing, and I have decided to develop myself as a good public speaker, as a charming person, as a person who doesn't keep mum, as a person who speaks, who want to listen. Because listening, I really understood that listening is very, very, very important part. If you can't listen to others, how can you expect others to listen to you? Everybody has to say something for them. So I want to develop myself as a public speaker. I want to take lead in social and cultural functions. I want to start giving gratitude to people. Sir, yes. I'll seriously say thank you to you for telling me this session of gratitude. I've been working with Gratitude Rocks. Then after going with this, I really feel I have more things to thank than to complain. After all, if I start going for gratitude, I'll gratitude for so many things. And my little kid, he'll tell, I'll gratitude for everything. I gratitude for trees, for vehicles, for building, for pen, for pencil, everything. But this has really helped me. It has subsidized my anger feeling also. I want to change my negative thoughts, especially whatever happens is, if I get some thought, a negative thing is coming to me, in my mind, there used to be a spider of negative thoughts. The thing which has not happened, maybe it was just a piece of fire and I'll think the whole house is burning with fire. So I want to relieve these negative thoughts, and these are like my goals within 6 months for personality development, where I want to change and literally leave a negative thought by cancel or delete. I want to keep control on expenditure of unwanted things. Like I am a person, if I'll not tell you wrong, I'm been a spendthrift, and this spending is because of the emotional expenditure. I relate the thing with my emotions. Oh, what is this? My kid is asking, let it, whatever it is, if it is, it's not that much costly. So not only for that thing, for me also, I'll relate so many things with emotions and I'll purchase. But now I have clearly understood emotional expenditure is never a good thing. So this is also one more thing I want to develop in my personality development. So this all were my goals, and I expect the whole universe to come and bless me. And these are my sparkling stars which I have put. I hope they will be keep on shining. And these leaflets which are there, I want to take them one by one once I have achieved this goal. So this will be there on this my vision board until I have achieved them. Okay, that's all for my vision board. Thank you so much.